my right passenger leaf spring has about a 1/2 inch sag in it, so I'm going to build up a 1/2 inch mini leaf to put in the spring pack to counterset that sag. So a few more things to get going on this, and here we go. Had a little sag in my front leaf spring, so had to add a little mini pack to it, and now we're all had a little sag on my front leaf springs, so I put in a little 1/2 inch mini spring pack and all good. Had a little sag in my front leaf spring, so I had to add a little mini leveling pack to it, and now we're all level on the up and up.